an abandoned home a month ago now, and today we're finally getting rid of the kitchen. Before I go in, do you guys see my new outfit? I went to the hardware store today. They had one section of women's clothes. This was the only pair of pants that fit me. Nick had 75 options. You know what he chose?
She copied me.
You had 3 different colors to choose from and 75 different pairs of pants.
I like this color.
So you're gonna have to walk me through this. How would you demo a kitchen?
You take a hammer and then you just go to town.
Really?
Can I just turn everything off?
Turn everything off.
All right.
Just be safe and sorry.
You can tell by the noise that it's not structural, it's not holding up anything. It'll be hollow. By looking at it, you can see that it's not structural. That means you can take a crowbar, put it right behind it.
Yep, and you crowbar back here. Can I do it?
Yep. Normally in old homes, it's aluminum. Here, they spent the money and they made it copper. It's more expensive to have copper wire than aluminum wire. They used to have aluminum wire accepted back in the day. But
so it's just bougie?
it was also a fire hazard. So the aluminum wire would get too hot and then burn houses down. It's really rare to find copper wire in a house this old.
So it's bougie.
It's bougie. Now we're gonna get the drain pipe.
Can I rip it out? Feels like I'm cutting an umbilical cord. Who puts tinfoil into a crack? Can I rip this off? Just 2 nails holding it in.
Go for it.
2 nails! Was that supposed to happen?
I mean...
Oh my gosh, there's a dead rat. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Do you see the dead rat?
Yeah.
How'd you do that? I can honestly say, if you asked me last year what I'd be doing on my 28th birthday, it wasn't this.
Right, I forgot. Happy birthday, Jenna. Hopefully it's more fun than your last birthday.
My last birthday, I was in the hospital.
There you go, so it's more fun.
This is so cute.
An old-fashioned spice rack. At your pace, whatever you're comfortable. You just lift it, we're going to twist it sideways.
Yeah?
Just pick it up from the bottom. You got it?
Yeah. Oh, that was the light one, wasn't it? There's a heavier one, isn't there?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's this one. You want to do it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh! Okay, go, 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 go!
I have absolutely no idea how I lifted that. Oh, hi, sir. But that was the max I've ever exerted my body to. So we only got a couple hours working in the kitchen today because we actually showed up early today, but when we showed up, there was a huge windstorm. I don't know if you can really hear the storm going on outside. That's not great when you have tarps on the roof. So when we got here, we saw a tarp flailing on the top of our roof. So we had to do like emergency tarping when we got here. So we went up on the roof. We had to bring up, I brought up bricks. I don't know if that's the best thing to put on your roof, but we just needed to hold the tarp down so then water could get on top and then it could get heavier anyways, more of a story. It's good now, but we had to do some emergency, tarp repair up there, staple it all back down, put heavy things on top, and that took some time. And also because it was raining sideways, we got really wet, so then we had to go buy new clothes. Also, I'll explain a little bit tomorrow when I get back here about the roof and why we haven't repaired that yet, because you guys have a lot of questions about that. Or I guess I could answer it now. Pretty much we have to take out all the drywall and get it down to the studs, because we probably will have to replace some of the framing in the house. So we got to do that and fix this stuff. Straight things in the house before we can fix the flat things in the house. So I don't know if anybody else has gotten into reading this year, but so far I've read 2 books and halfway done my 3rd. So I thought maybe some of you guys like reading, so today's video is actually sponsored by Book of the Month. So my absolute favorite thing about Book of the Month is that everything is curated. They have people that go through hundreds of books every single month looking for new emerging authors and also new books. That way I don't have to worry about reading a bad book. In addition to their Book of the Month you can choose every month, you can also choose an audiobook instead. You can choose from an audiobook or a hardcover book each month. So the book I chose this month is Hereafter by Amy Lynn. And it's pretty much about this guy who dies. He has a wife. The wife is now in the grieving process, and it just goes through what her life is like after she loses like her true love, best love that has ever existed. Sorry, that's my laundry. It's a memoir. So you guys are gonna want to try out Book of the Month. I have a link down below in the description, but if you use the code CHIRP, like the bird chirp chirp, use that. And you guys will get the first book for only $9.99. So yesterday, right after I finished talking to you guys, we went to go turn on the electrical panel and turn our machines on and go home for the day. And we almost burnt the house down.
It was pretty scary.
We turned it on, and within a minute we started smelling burnt wires. Obviously Nick ran down and turned the electrical panel off, but we don't have electricity now officially in this house.
I gotta say, we will be saving money not having electricity in this house. No water, no electricity, no bills. This is the thing that almost burnt down the house. We're gonna replace this thing now and put a new one in.
In, outlet, right
Wait, you're just replacing this?
Just one. Yep.
You guys wanna see the kitchen? It's actually sunny today, so you can see more in there.
Wow.
I'm glad there's no new rats here today. So I was just informed by Sir Nicholas that the energy efficiency person is coming in like an hour. So we're gonna try to tidy up the place, but I was just thinking, I feel like he's or she's gonna be so impressed with this home because now we have no water, we don't have electricity, so we're not using any electricity. This house is so efficient. So we're just gonna tidy it up to make the home a little bit more presentable, We're having guests over. This bathroom specifically, you have to be very careful that you don't go through the floor. Honestly, I am so surprised this toilet's still here. Because 6 inches in front of it, there's not really a floor there.
Look at how gross this is. It's like a forbidden lollipop.
Well, the energy guy came, he left. He said the temperature inside the house was the same temperature outside the house.
It's got wheels. These are like the old-fashioned fuses they had. They prevented things from going kaboom.
What's a fuse?
Prevents things from going kaboom.
Girl,
I wonder how much weight this is holding.
it's not structural.
No, it's not, but I wonder if it became structural. Oh no, it's definitely not.
Did they just like cut a hole in the wall and that's how they wired the wire?
Yeah, I think they originally thought it was going to go here, but then they built the kitchen and they're like, oh man,
It needs to go here.
it needs to go here.
Also, for those that are curious about why there's 7,000 buckets in my hallway, the house is still leaking. Next. This might be a little bit more trickier now. I unfortunately couldn't do it all by myself, so. What? You can see the hallway.
Look,
Who designed this?
That's the weirdest design thing I've ever seen, ever.
What's the plan? How are we gonna rip this apart?
We're gonna disconnect the kitchen sink first, so we
Yeah.
don't have any kaboom. And then once we disconnect that, we take the hammer and hit it really hard.
Okay. We can't see anything in here. It looks like we can see from my camera because it's a kick butt camera. We're gonna have to turn the light on, which my camera doesn't like. See? So BRB.
Okay, so we ended up calling it for today. It's just today's over. Also, I haven't really made this announcement. I made this announcement on my other platforms, but I wanted to let you know that I have a Patreon. I've had a free Patreon, but now I've added a podcast to the Patreon with Sir Nikki.
Wait, we have a Patreon.
And pretty much we're just going to more in depth of things that I don't have time to talk about here, about just all the nitty, some extra stories, just some fun things about the house. It's all on the Patreon. It's called Do It Yourself, the podcast. I'll link it down below. Tire on the roof. I have like the garden
That tire was
stepping, the cement pieces, or the, you know, in a garden.
Yeah,
like,
garden stepping stone or whatever.
yeah, I started putting those on the roof. I'm walking around. I'm finding bricks. I'm going up the ladder with bricks in my hand to go put them up there.
It was chaos.
Hello. Welcome back, friends and family. This is day 3 of demoing the kitchen. I'm a little tired.
Watch this. It's not gonna flicker.
We have light!
Some of the structural posts came off.
Oh, that was them. That was their fault. That was not us. You can see how it's old.
So I bought a broom for this exact situation. Okay, I cleaned up pretty good, so I'm gonna take down these walls now. I did it!
Oh yeah, baby!
Oh!
Jenna, what are you doing?
I just realized we got like a stripper pole in the middle of our kitchen now.
Wow.
Well, I can't really cook for my friends anymore, but you know, do a little dance for them. Okay, do you want to rip up the carpet?
Let's go get the carpet.
You guys keep telling me you guys want longer videos, so I got a little bonus content for you guys.
Probably fix that. What do you
I
think?
really want to see how big the hole is, because I know there's a hole underneath that board, but I don't know how big. Oh!
Oh! It's a really big hole.
Yeah, it's fine. You ain't gonna go very far. There's a bar here.
Yeah. All right. Step on this.
No, we need a bigger one. What if I step here and break my ankle?
There you go. Good.
That's not good enough. Does it peel like butter?
Yeah. Go.
Oh, nice. Oh, these are beautiful, these
I
stairs.
know. I don't think we even need to replace them.
No. I feel like it shouldn't peel back this easily. Okay, this one's tough. Oh gosh, the hole's getting bigger.
Well. Back a bit.
We did the stairs. It is looking beautiful, might I add. And then we also fixed the electricity in the house. Hey!
We do have like a gaping hole here, which we are planning on covering, so don't put your fingers
Don't
in any of
touch
this.
this.
Don't touch. We have a working outlet now, temporarily,
We got 4 plugs.
so it's great.
It's all we need. You only need 4 plugs in one house.
Yep.
That's it. What are we gonna do next week?
We're gonna take down the drywall. That's coming down.
It's coming down with or without our help, let's be honest.